Hey everyone, Dr. Magic here with another magic egg. Wow, this is a cool egg. This egg is white with red spots. I wonder what's inside. Only one way to find out. First, we have to crack the egg with our magic hammer. Oh, I think we cracked it. I wonder what's inside. Cool. Do you know what kind of animal this is? It has a thick gray skin and a horn on its nose. This animal is called a rhinoceros, or rhino for short. Pretty cool, huh? Let's look on the globe and see where they live. Rhinoceros live on the continent of Africa and also on the continent of Asia. Pretty cool, huh? Now, rhinos are the second largest land animal, only smaller than the elephant. And some of them have one horn, and some of them have two horns, like this one. And that horn is made out of the same type of material as your fingernails. Pretty cool, huh? Do you know what kind of sound a rhinoceros makes? Let's listen and see if we can hear it. Cool. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel, Dr. Magic's Eggs, to see what's inside other magic eggs. You never know what we'll find.